Imagine you go on a walk in the park. You take a deep breath of fresh air, and suddenly you smell something really, really sweet and flowery. You look behind you and see why. The smell is coming from flowers, not just a single flower, tons of flowers. All of them on a single tree. It's a tree covered in sweet smelling flowers. When you get home, you send a message to your friend who's away on vacation. You promise her you'll take her to see and smell this tree when she gets back. 2 months later, your friend comes back from vacation. It feels like it's been forever. So you take her to the park and you walk toward the tree. But when you get to the tree and look up, you see that the flowers are gone. At first you're bummed, but then you can hardly believe your eyes. In the place where there were flowers, the tree is now full of pears? What's going on here? It's almost as if the flowers turned into pears. But you've already learned that flowers are seed makers. You look down on the ground beneath the tree. There were no seeds anywhere on the ground, just pears up in the tree. So where are the seeds the pear flowers should have made?